One thing I would say to a hotel considering MLS is you make that jump and you'll never look back. It's simply the best I've ever worked with in my 3 decades in the business, and they've been terrific partners. My name is Jim Moran. I am the general manager at the Marriott Shadow Ridge Resort in beautiful Palm Desert, California. What's interesting in our business, the hospitality business, is that you do want to stay focused on your core business, which is customer service. And MLS does an incredible job with allowing us to do that and partnering with us to ensure that all of our linen inventory is fine, the quality is fine, we get back what we turn in, and whenever there are any opportunities, we partner together so we can make sure that those are fixed. MLS assists us with cost savings just because of the fact that we don't have any fluctuations with our linen inventory. When you have to focus on that, you're not focused where you should be, and there's additional costs incurred, not only with additional linen that you have to buy, but also hourly labor, management labor, looking at why you're having those problems. We've never had that problem with MLS. They've been great partners. Combined, we have about 3,000 rooms and occupy over 900,000 rooms during the year. And since we have, they're all vacation units, condo-like, there's more than just linen. There's kitchen linen, there's sofa bed linen. So all of us are quite happy with MLS, and they focus on their associates, and their associates take care of us so we could take better care of our customers.